Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Young Researchers. In today's video, we will discuss about how you can plot liquid film kinetic model in Origin. So for plotting liquid film kinetic model, you have to do some kind of calculation in Excel sheet. So for example, on y-axis, you have to take natural log 1 minus qt divided by qe, and on x-axis, you will take the time in minutes. So for example, here if I have the data like time in minutes, so I first need to calculate about qt, and then I will observe the value, maximum value in qt as qe, and then I will go to second option like qe minus qt. I will then take its natural log, like it I will do 1 minus qt over qe, like I will subtract the value of qt over qe from the factor number 1, and then I will take its natural log, and then I will use this value for plotting the liquid film kinetic model. So we have already discussed about this calculation and how what is qt and qe and how you can calculate in our previous video. We will provide the link of that playlist in description. You can check the kinetic sheet calculation from that playlist. Okay, so this natural log 1 minus qt over qe you will take, and you as a y-axis data, and time you will take on x-axis. Once you have added your data in Origin sheet, you need to then go to select the data and then go to plot, and you can select scatter option here. This is the graph you will obtain. This will be the minus values. Okay, the y-axis values will be minus for liquid film kinetic model. If you want that your y-axis values must be appear in positive sign, then you can remove the negative sign from those values, but for that you need to add negative sign with this axis title. Like if you want to keep your values positive with positive sign, then kindly mention the negative sign with this natural log, like minus natural log 1 minus qt over qe. Okay, so if you want to keep the axis title as positive, so it means this values must be in negative sign, because the natural log of those point values, small values, will be negative. So this another point to be noted here is that for liquid film kinetic model, your slope value will always be in negative, because this is the negative y-axis data, so your slope will always be in negative sign. So if you get a negative slope for liquid film kinetic model, there is nothing to worry about. It must always be in negative sign, because you have used y-axis data in its negative form. Okay, so for plotting its linear graph, you need to select any of the data points from here, place the cursor on any of data points, and then go to analysis. From here you can go to fitting. After clicking on fitting, you will need to select linear fit, and here you can go to open dialog. Once you click on open dialog, you need to select OK from here. So this will straight line will appear, and you can drag the box here away from the graph. So you can see here, like the slope value obtained for this model is negative, that is minus 0.0100. Intercept is also negative, minus 2.625, and its r square is 0.9957. So you can use this r square, and you can also do formatting for this graph from here by adding the border and making its border as increase in its size more wider, and you can also make these formatting, like making the writing as bold and increase in size. You can choose any of the like writing style. Here we have already discussed about this in previous videos. Kindly check from the playlist. So this type of graph that you will obtain by plotting the time in minutes on x-axis and natural log 1 minus qt over qe on y-axis, this will be known as the liquid film kinetic model. And for better understanding of the main concept and theory behind the liquid film kinetic model, you need to go to the playlist that we provide the link in the description. We have already discussed about the theory and calculation about Excel sheets, so you can check from that. So in coming videos we will discuss some non-linear kinetic models, that how you can add their equations in Origin file, and how you can use non-linear kinetic models or isotherm model for your data. So stay tuned with Young Researchers. Till then, Allah Hafiz.